Treating clothing and gear with a repellent spray creates a predictable layer of protection for outdoor workers and hikers without needing to slather exposed skin in high-concentration products. Start by choosing a clothing-specific product, such as a Permethrin spray designed for textiles, and treat items outdoors or in a well-ventilated area to avoid inhalation exposure. Apply evenly from about 8 to 12 inches away, focusing on cuffs, collars, hems, socks, and the exterior of footwear, and avoid saturating inner linings or items that contact the face. Allow garments to dry and cure fully before use, typically for at least 24 hours or as directed on the label, because curing binds the active ingredient to fibers and reduces transfer to skin. Reapply after laundering or heavy wear following the product interval on the label, and store treated gear separate from untreated clothing when possible to minimize cross-transfer. For skin protection in exposed areas where clothing is impractical, use a picaridin spray at the label concentration rather than applying clothing products to skin, since textile formulations are not intended for direct dermal use. Use gloves and eye protection during application. Keep treated items away from children and pets until cured, and always follow the specific safety and disposal directions on the product label. Common issues include overapplication that leaves a damp residue and can irritate skin or reduce breathability, so apply in light, even passes and let items dry fully before wearing. Another problem is treating the wrong materials, which can degrade water resistance or fabric coatings. Check the garment care label and test a small, inconspicuous area for color fastness and material compatibility first. The third concern is forgetting reapplication after washing, which removes protection. Set a calendar reminder tied to your typical laundry routine and follow the manufacturer reapplication interval. At bighomeprojects.com, we connect homeowners and contractors around projects like treating outdoor gear and property pest strategies, and our community discussion boards let users share experiences, product tips, and local recommendations. We help contractors find work by listing services and letting them join conversations where homeowners seek real-world advice.